Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Your favorite daily dose of English, right here, right now.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. And today's episode is a good one, trust me.
If this is your first time watching, hit that subscribe button. We post a new lesson every single day, so there's always something fresh waiting for you.
And we have almost 73,000 of you learning with us. That number still makes me so happy.
And today, we're solving a problem that confuses a lot of English learners.
Oh yeah, this one confused me too, actually. For years.
Years, Tom?
Don't judge me. Just wait until you hear what happened.
Okay, grab your coffee, your tea, whatever you're drinking right now, and let's get into it. Okay, so before we get into the lesson, I want to ask you something. Something that happened to Tom not too long ago.
Please, don't.
I have to. So here's my question for you. While you're watching, have you ever answered a question with the wrong grammar and completely confused the other person?
This is gonna be bad.
Maybe in an interview, maybe with your boss, maybe just talking to a stranger and their face just goes blank.
Please stop describing my life so accurately.
Keep that in mind, because by the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly what went wrong for Tom. Let's get into it. Okay, Tom, tell everyone what happened. Set the scene properly this time.
All right, so last month I had a job interview. A real one. Video call, nice shirt, the whole thing.
Very professional.
Thank you. I even cleaned my desk for it, which never happens.
Wow, big moment.
Huge moment. So the manager starts asking me questions, and one of them was, did you manage a team before?
Okay, simple question.
Simple question, but in my brain I panicked a little, and instead of answering her question, I said, yes, I have managed a team for 3 years.
Oh no!
Right? It's not wrong, but it's not what she asked. She asked about one specific time in the past. I answered like it was still connected to now.
So basically your grammar and your interview answer were fighting each other.
Exactly. And she gave me this little pause like, okay, interesting answer.
Tom, no.
And that's when I realized I genuinely don't know the difference between did you and have you. Not really. Not in a way I could explain.
So what did you do after that pause?
I just kept talking. I panicked more and I started explaining random projects from 3 different jobs.
Oh, Tom, no.
She looked so confused. I think in her notes she just wrote a question mark.
Oh, question mark just floating there.
Probably. I'll never know.
Oh, well, good news. That's exactly what we're teaching today.
Finally, some justice for my interview.
Did you get the job, by the way?
That's a different episode.
Fair enough. Let's fix this once and for all. Okay, let's break this down simply. Did you and have you both ask about the past, but they ask in a different way?
Okay, explain it like I'm 5.
Fine. Did you is simple past. We use it when we're talking about a specific finished time. Yesterday, last week, in 2020, when you were a kid.
Okay, so it's finished and it's connected to a clear moment.
Exactly. Like, did you call your mom yesterday? That's done. Finished. One clear moment in the past.
Got it. And have you?
Have you is present perfect. We use it when there's no specific time or when the past action still connects to now.
Connects to now how?
Like, have you called your mom? No specific time mentioned. It just means at any point up until now, did this happen?
Oh, so it's less about when and more about whether it happened at all.
Yes, that's a great way to say it.
So in my interview, she asked, did you manage a team? Which means she wanted a specific story, a specific time.
Right. And you answered like she asked, have you ever managed a team, which is more general.
Ugh, my brain just betrayed me in real time.
It happens to everyone. Even native speakers mix these up sometimes, especially when they're nervous.
Wait, really?
Really, it's not about being perfect. It's about understanding the patterns so you can catch yourself.
Okay, that actually makes me feel better.
One more small tip before examples. If the sentence has a specific time word, like yesterday, last year, in June, that's your signal for did you.
And no time word usually means have you.
Exactly. Keep that in your head. It'll help a lot with the examples.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's practice with real examples so it really clicks.
Okay, first one. Did you eat breakfast versus have you eaten breakfast?
Okay, what's the difference here?
Did you eat breakfast? This usually means this morning, specifically. It's asking about one clear moment.
Right, like a mom asking her kid before school.
Exactly. Now, have you eaten breakfast? This is more general. Maybe you're asking someone at 11 a.m. and you just want to know if the action happened at all, no matter when exactly.
Oh, this actually happened to me too. My roommate asked me, "Have you eaten?" at like 2 p.m. And I said, "Yes, I did eat breakfast at 8, which sounded weird.
Because she wasn't asking about breakfast specifically.
She just wanted to know if I was hungry. I gave her a whole timeline.
Tom, you really do this a lot.
I'm learning about myself today.
Let's imagine another version. Your friend calls you at 3 p.m. and asks, have you eaten lunch yet?
Then I'd just say, "No, not yet," because she's asking if it happened at all, not when.
Perfect. Now imagine your friend says, did you eat the leftover pizza in my fridge?
That's a very specific accusation.
It is, but notice that question has a clear moment in mind, probably last night or this morning.
Understood. And also, no comment on the pizza.
Noted. Next one, movies. Did you see that movie versus have you seen that movie?
Okay, give me a story for this one.
All right. So last weekend, my sister asked me, did you see the new movie? And she meant specifically this weekend at the cinema.
Because there's a clear time, the weekend.
Right. But if someone asks, have you seen that movie with no specific time, they just want to know at any point in your life, did you watch it?
Okay, so like if someone says, "Have you seen Titanic?"
Yes. Nobody means a specific day. They mean in your whole life, ever.
Have you seen Titanic, by the way?
Tom, everyone has seen Titanic.
I'm just checking your grammar skills.
Smooth.
Okay, what if I said, "Did you see Titanic when it came out in 1997?
That works too because now you added a specific time, 1997. It becomes did you, even though it's the same movie.
Oh, so the verb changes based on whether there's a specific time, not based on the topic itself.
Exactly. You just explained it better than I did.
I'm having a moment.
Enjoy. It doesn't happen often. Okay, school example. Did you finish your homework versus have you finished your homework?
Oh, this one gives me flashbacks.
Tell me.
My teacher used to ask, "Did you finish your homework?" And she meant specifically last night when it was assigned.
Right. Clear time. Last night.
But sometimes she'd ask during class, "Have you finished the worksheet?" And that meant right now, at this moment, is it done or not, no matter when I started it.
Exactly. That's a perfect example. Have you finished is checking the current result, not the timing.
I actually understand this now. This is wild.
Look at you, healing from your interview trauma in real time.
Please stop bringing up the interview.
Never.
Okay, one more example from me. My mom used to text me, "Have you finished packing?" before a trip.
Right, because it doesn't matter when you started packing. She just wants to know if it's done now.
Meanwhile, if she asked, "Did you finish packing last night?" she's asking about one specific evening.
Exactly right. You're on fire today.
The interview finally paid off emotionally.
Okay, next one. And this connects to something fun. Travel. Did you travel anywhere? Versus, have you traveled anywhere?
Okay, go on.
Did you travel anywhere last year? That's a finished time period. Last year is over.
Right, closed box, specific time.
But have you traveled anywhere with no time mentioned just means in your life, up until now, has this happened?
Okay, so if someone asks me at a party, "Have you traveled much?"
They're not asking about one trip.
Right. They want your whole travel history, basically, not one specific moment.
Okay, I feel like a new man, grammar-wise.
Small steps, Tom.
Can I try one more? What about, did you travel to Italy in 2019?
Perfect. Because now you gave a specific year, 2019, so did you fits naturally.
And if I just said, have you traveled to Italy with no year, that's asking about my whole life.
Exactly. You're basically teaching this episode with me at this point.
Don't tell the viewers I'm actually learning too.
Do wait, they already know. Okay, one more before we wrap up teaching. Food this time. Did you try the new restaurant versus have you tried the new restaurant?
Ooh, food examples are always good.
So imagine your friend went to a new restaurant last Friday. You'd ask, did you try the new restaurant on Friday?
Specific day, specific event, one moment.
Exactly. But if you're just asking in general, no day mentioned, you'd say, have you tried the new restaurant?
Because you just want to know if it happened at all, at any point.
Yes, you've got it completely now.
Okay, real talk. Have you tried the coffee place near the studio?
I have, actually, twice this week.
Twice? Did you go there yesterday, too?
I did. See, look at us using it correctly in real conversation.
We're basically the example now.
All right, last one. And this one's fun because it connects back to the interview story.
Oh no, here we go again.
Just one more. So imagine your interviewer asks, have you visited our office before?
That's general. Any point in time. Has it ever happened?
Right. But if she asks, did you visit our office last Tuesday? That's a specific moment she's checking.
Honestly, if she had asked me that question instead, I probably would have messed it up too.
Probably, yeah.
But now I would say it correctly. No, I haven't visited before. This is my first time.
Perfect present perfect answer, actually.
Look at me go.
Okay, I think you're finally ready to have a re-interview.
Let's not push it.
Okay, let's wrap this up simply. Did you is for a specific finished time in the past. Yesterday, last year, this morning.
And have you is for general life experience, or something that still connects to right now with no specific time.
Exactly. If there's a clear time word, like yesterday, last week, in 2020, use did you.
And if there's no time word, or you're asking about someone's whole life experience, use have you.
Perfect summary.
I wish I had the summary before my interview.
There's always next time.
And honestly, if you're watching this and you make this mistake too, don't feel bad. It's one of the trickiest parts of English.
Completely normal. Even people who've studied English for years still mix it up sometimes.
The important thing is noticing the pattern, and now you have it.
Time word, clear moment, use did you. No time word, general experience, use have you.
Simple as that.
Okay, now it's your turn. In the comments, write one sentence with did you and one sentence with have you.
Try to use a real memory from your own life. It sticks better that way.
We'll be reading through the comments, so don't be shy.
And hey, if you make a mistake, that's totally fine. That's literally why we're here.
And if you have a funny interview story like Tom's, share it. We want to hear it.
Please don't encourage more of these stories.
Too late. All right, that's it for today's lesson. I hope did you and have you make a lot more sense now.
They really do. My interview self is somewhere crying with jealousy right now.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every day. Seriously. So there's always something new for you to learn with us.
Leave a like, drop a comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.
See you tomorrow, everyone. Take care of yourselves.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.